Video will show how to install the machine, how to start running the machine. As you can see, the computer is already fixed on the machine. There are the screw. The CPU, the computer is already fixed and will be delivered together with the machine without dismantle. And you just need to connect the power cable. This is the power cable. This cable is customized. It's made according to the Brazil power supply. You can see the plug is different with Chinese. This plug will connect. This plug will connect with the power supply, Brazil power supply, and this end connect with this plug, and you just need to connect the two lines. One is power supply cable and one is for switch cable. This is a switch cable, you can see. Okay, this is for switch cable. That's the two holes, and plug in, screw, and then finish.